Hi guys, Jim from Low Cost Water Softeners. I just wanted to show you what you get when you order the Fleck 5600, and this is going to be the Fleck 5600 SXT. You also get a video with this to show you how to set it up. This box right here comes inside your brine tank, which is this 17 by 17 or 14 by 14 brine tank. You get your little connections to connect to your wall and then to your water softener. You get your instructions. You get your valve. This is your valve, just so you can see it. And then you're going to get your bypass, your yoke and bypass for this, which I'll show you right now. This is your bypass, and it just clips on like this. You just pull it on, and then it's got these little clips you just turn and screw it down with a 1/4-inch nut driver on both sides, just like that. And then here's your yoke. So you do the same thing with this. Just pull it together, put your clip on it, tighten it down, and there you go. Now you've got it put together the way it needs to be. Then it comes with an upper basket. This is so when backwash happens, it doesn't blow out the media. And this is real simple. It's got, as you can see, the little grooves there. It just fits in here. Turn it till you find the spot. There we go. And push and turn. And just like that. And then the water softener comes with a little cap on it. Comes already loaded with your gravel and your media. So you just unscrew this little cap. And you can see, you might be able to see the distributor tube right here. You just put your upper basket, slide it right over the distributor tube. Sometimes it'll give you a little bit of a problem going inside the valve itself. So you just have to work with it a little bit. If it doesn't go down easily, you're just gonna have to work with it. There we go. And then just tighten it. Make sure you don't cross thread it, because you can cross thread these. And if you do, you'll never like yourself. Because you'll have to rebed it, get a new water softener tank. Let's get it kind of snug like that. Another quick thing I want to show you up close. Is if you look inside here, where are we at? You see little white things in there? That's your impeller, so when the water comes out, it turns the impeller, which turns this and turns your mechanism inside, so it knows when to regenerate after so many gallons. But that's your impeller. Then in your brine tank, you get a brine well. And inside your brine well is your brine line. And there's a pickup tube in there and your safety float so it doesn't overfill. And these just connect. You'll also get a fitting like this right here. And so that goes inside your brine well from the outside. I'm sure you can see it. So there are two holes on your brine, inside your brine well. You have to stick your hand down there, and this goes right there in the corner. You match it up to your brine well and put the little nut on the inside. Kind of a pain in the neck to do, unless you take your safety float out, which is just a matter of a 7/16 nut. And this is just an overflow drain. So if it gets too high, to just drain out there and you'll know that's the problem. And then the brine tube sticks in here. Oops, wrong side. They've got little silver grommets, or brass grommets. So you just push it in here and then push it into the little ferrule nut there and tighten it down. Sorry, you can't see that part. Once again, videotaping this myself. And there's supposed to be another ferrule nut, so you can stick this in here and tighten it down. And I'm not seeing it. There it is. In this bag with the instructions. And it also comes with a screen. Comes with this little screen right there to pick up trash. So you slide your nut on there. And your little plastic grommet goes on there like that. This normally goes inside there, but this brine line comes with one. Then you stick your screen in there, like that. And you attach it. Like so. You're in like Fleck. And then for your drain line, you might have to get your own tubing, but you can, it's just a little 1/2 inch, I think, or maybe it's 3/4. You just screw it in there, and then you attach your hose to it. We're gonna hard plumb this one. This customer bought his own online, and I got to see what they send out. So anyways, we're gonna hard plumb it with PVC. See if I can find one more thing for you. And here it is. This is a little sticker at the bottom of your brine tank, media tank. And this is real important to keep on there, because right here, this little number, let me see if I can get my finger on it. Right there, it says 07/17/19. That is your date code, July 17th of 2019, and there's a 10-year warranty on these tanks, so you want to make sure that you can see that and it doesn't get ripped off or anything. So that way if you have a problem with your tank, then you can get it warranted, okay? And anybody can warranty these tanks. They just take it, or anybody who has a vendor that uses Pentair products. Most of them do. So anyways. Well, that's it. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. Any questions, please feel free to ask or put your comments. And don't be afraid to share this with your friends. I appreciate your time, and you have a great day. And thanks for visiting lowcostwatersofteners.com.